Building demolition is a modern norm in today's world. Engineers use explosives to destroy large buildings quickly. It is very safe and demolishes large buildings in a short time. In today's episode, we will see at some building demolition videos from different places in the world in which buildings were successfully demolished. Chongqing is one of the major cities in China. There was a 20-story building called Xinyi. After the building became obsolete, it was demolished on 14th of January 2015 to make way for a new building. It took only 2 seconds to demolish the entire 20-story building. This building was demolished, and the new building constructed is 5 times bigger than it. The 165-foot South Bay power plant is a power plant built in the 1960s. Located in Southern California, this power plant supplied electricity to 500,000 homes daily. In 2010, this power plant was closed and it was decided to demolish it. This center was demolished in 2018. The old Georgia Dome was a stadium. It was built in 1992 at a cost of $214 million. It was the most expensive project in Georgia at the time and later became the second largest indoor stadium in the world. In 2017, it was decided to demolish this stadium and build a new stadium, and it was finally demolished. A green space was turned into a toll gate for Falcons games in downtown North Texas, Dallas. As many Americans started building homes here, many skyscrapers were built here. Later, the height of buildings in this area was reduced to facilitate safe landing of aircraft. As part of this plan, the original building was demolished on 16 February 2020. After the building was demolished, some parts of the building are still standing. After a few days, the demolition company used huge cranes to safely demolish this section as well. The AF Tower was a 34-story office building in the West End district of Frankfurt, Germany, between 1972 and 1974. It was the tallest building in the city and a Marriott hotel. The 381-foot tower was demolished on 2 February 2014 after falling into disuse. Huron is a small town in Cleveland where the Huron River meets Lake Erie. There was also the site of a Conagra mill and grain silo. The building was demolished after a decision was taken to demolish it and build a development project there. Hundreds of people stood at a distance and watched the process with their own eyes. Red Road Flats was a 1960s luxury housing project on the Glasgow skyline. Consisting of 8 blocks, it was one of the tallest residential structures in Europe. These challenges are faced after decades of social housing demand after construction. A decision was taken to demolish these around 2000, and a major building was demolished on 10th June 2012. China holds the record for the world's longest bridge demolition, Wuhan's 2-meter viaduct that stands between the road and the mountain. Demolition of such viaducts was very difficult indeed.